Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video. I want to focus on shoulder pain because I know a lot of people often have shoulder pain, and so even if you're not experiencing that now, at least you'll know how to do reflexology on yourself for this particular area. So as always, if you are used to joining me for these different sessions, then definitely make sure that you have gotten yourself hydrated. I have been hydrated, but I am going to get another sip of water. I just always like to have hydration available for myself. I also like to lead by example. All right. So, I'm not going to get into doing a traditional warm-up like I normally do when we're doing kind of a full freestyle session. Just going to go directly to the specific area, and I'm going to work this on both feet. So if you have oil or lotion or so, then make sure. I'm going to be using my hydration lotion during this time. So, and I know some of you may be thinking, is it necessary to always moisturize your feet or your hands when working on them? It's not absolutely always necessary, but I think that it is good. But sometimes you don't want to have it too oily either. That's why sometimes when I'm doing sessions and you all see that I'll be applying lotion or oil throughout the process, because I'll put a certain amount on and start just working, with that, and then I'll add it if need be. Okay. All right, so I'm going to work on the shoulder area on both feet. So I'm going to start with the right foot here. And in zone 5 here is where it breaks off. And right in this area, well, actually it's kind of zone 4 and 5. Right in this area here, going all the way down here, is the shoulder reflex, right? So can begin to just make some circular motions here. Right, come up down here as well. Just getting that zone 5 area. So anytime you're having tightness or so in your shoulders, or just some pain, it's good to just start rubbing this area. And you can actually get in between the toes as well, just to loosen up that region, right? Also, I'm being guided to focus a little bit on the neck, because sometimes when you're having shoulder pain, it can radiate across both shoulders, but also too that can cause some stress in the neck, or sometimes your neck could have tension in it and it's causing pain or discomfort in your shoulders. So can work this area here. You can kind of work across it if you want to, if you're not just doing kind of a reflexology rub for yourself. Just work across there and do some massaging that area. Right. And feel free to work them both, okay? Because that's what I'm going to do here. I always recommend spend at least 60 seconds or so in an area, especially if you're actually having some challenges in that area. Okay, so yeah, so we're just working right in here. Let's work for the shoulders, and again the neck. All right, so I'm going to come over to the left foot, and again, I'm going to work them both areas here. So working the neck, okay, and the shoulder reflex. So yes, from those 2 toes on over here. All right, and just follow the guidance of your body's intelligence in terms of how long to actually stay. Like I said, I do recommend if you're having some type of challenge or discomfort, at least 60 seconds to stay, in that particular area. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, there we are. I just wanted to just provide just a quick demonstration for you to be able to support yourself better as it relates to the shoulder pain and also neck pain, as well. And always remember that you can secure a copy of my publication, I Touch Myself and I Like It. It's available on Amazon, but there's a link in the description. And of course, I look forward to being back with you soon with more videos.